What is going on, you guys? Thank you for watching another video. Today we're going to be meeting up with Manny in the Supra to check it out because he's had that car for a while and I've yet to experience it. I'm also going to be letting him drive mine to see what he thinks about it. But before we do that, let's get you guys a quick cold start. All right, guys, sorry if it's windy, but we got Manny's Supra here. Here's Manny.
Yo, Jack.
So, you ready?
Do it.
So, Manny's gonna walk us around, you know, what he has done to the car. And then after that, we will hear the exhaust and then I'll get to driving. Manny, tell us, what's done to it?
All right, guys, as you know, every B58 owner needs to know this. Intake, charge pipe, tune,
Exhaust?
oh, exhaust.
That's it.
I think that's it. That's all I got for now, guys. Bear with me. That's all I got for now. If you guys are wondering about what exhaust I got, Boost Logic, these guys make one of the best out there. And they're fairly cheap. Next. Also, guys, a lot of people do use this style of wing. It's super nice. It goes with every color, really. And the install, I mean, me and Brian did it together. It took us a few hours because it was the first time. You do have to drain in the trunk, but one good thing is water does not leak. So I recommend. Another simple and cheap mod is the M-style mirror caps. They're pretty cheap and they completely change the look in your car. I mean, look at that. That looks completely different. And the wind buffers. You need to have the wind buffers. You need to have these. All right, guys, this is my steering wheel. It's from OHC Motors, and it's all carbon fiber. And these are LEDs, and this little screen right here shows you everything about the car. And I got carbon fiber shifting pads. I don't know if you see them. So this is a 2020 launch edition. Most of these come numbered, and this one is 492 out of 1,500. And I'll say it right there. If you guys have one of these with a lesser number than I, comment down below and let me know.
All right, moment of truth. Manny's gonna start the car and we're gonna hear what it sounds like. By the way, this is straight pipe, so it's very loud.
Let's get it.
Bro, what business does that have being so loud?
I like to be obnoxious.
We're driving it. So far, I was telling Manny it feels so much different than my car. I kind of feel like I'm like compact, ready to go. I don't know, it's a completely different feeling. It's crazy how you can drive multiple cars and none of them still feel the same. We're gonna drop it to third. All right, Manny, you ready? Oh my God. Bro, it's so crazy, it doesn't hook. Like, it takes a good minute to hook and it's like completely sliding. My God, and the noise that it makes is so crazy. How does it feel from the passenger seat, man?
I'm not used to it. I feel like I'm gonna die.
Bro. All right, ready for round two? All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Bro. Yo, the other crazy part, like, I don't know about any other Supra owners, but like, bro, you feel the car like lifting.
Yeah, you feel it moving.
Like, I feel like all I'm looking at is the hood. Let's do a small pull, a 4th gear pull. Dude, holy shit. Yo, Manny, have you stepped on it like that?
Oh, for sure, bro. I have to test try it.
Yo,
But it's totally different from the passenger seat, though. Bro,
holy crap. That's all I'm gonna say. It's just also like the sound just makes it so more dramatic.
Like it feels like you're moving.
Yeah.
That intake sounds like you're moving.
Yeah, I need an intake because I want to hear my turbo.
ASAP.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Like I said, feels good.
You want to trade?
Like for a day?
For a day.
For a day? Oh, yo, let's do them with the windows down. I didn't even realize that. All right, hopefully it's not windy. Holy crap. Dude, this thing is so loud that it's not even funny. I feel so good not having to worry about scraping, huh?
Yeah.
I'm not stepping on it all the way either, because I'm not that kind of guy. But holy crap. Like it wants to go. Are you ready? Let's do it again. Windows down, let's go. It's so loud. Holy crap. No, and it's fast too. Whew. Bro. I'm telling you, that exhaust is so dramatic. Manny, what do you gotta say?
All I gotta say is, everybody talk about B58 this, B58 that. B58 is the king, man. It's up there.
Yo, like honestly, very, very fun. Not gonna lie, the M4 is great. But like, wow, like I haven't driven this thing since we got it. So driving it back again is just like, wow, bro, like this car is actually fun as f. I almost forgot, Manny just literally reminded me. I brought the GoPro, so we're gonna do actually one more with the GoPro so you guys can get a POV feel of what it looks like driving this. So the GoPro died, so we're gonna do it with the phone real quick. All right, guys, ready? Woo! Oh my God. All right, so we made it back. Man, that was fun. I'm not gonna lie. I'm dying to see Manny's reaction on the M4. It is a lot different, so let's see. And it also is not straight pipe. It does sound good, but it's not straight pipe, not yet at least. But yes, we made it back. We're gonna let him drive, and let's see. All right, Manny, so I don't think I've ever let you drive before.
Negative.
So in that case, what do you think? What are you expecting?
I'm expecting a lot more speed, a lot more control, a lot of everything that this car does not have. So we'll see. Are you subscribed yet? If not, go subscribe down below, up above, or
it don't matter, just go
subscribe. It don't matter, go subscribe, Brian Left 82.
So we have Manny strapped up. He's ready to go.
Safety first.
All right, Manny, take us out of here. I wanted to see if you were gonna put it down or not.
Alright.
Manny put down the e-brake. You know how to put in. Bro, what are you doing, bro? Bro, what are you doing?
Bro, it doesn't want to go on D.
Bro, it's just to the side, like that, one time. Bro, this guy, bro, these Supra owners, bro.
Are we up?
Yeah, we're good. We're good. All right, we're moving. Wish me luck.
I'm not used to this. Some light, pretty casual driver.
So I showed him the M2 mode where it like changes the digital gauge and stuff, and says he would just buy it just because of that.
Just for that. It's the little things that get to me. Trust me, the little things. I like it, comfortable.
But right now we're just letting the car warm up as he kind of finds the spot where we can step on it. But yeah, does it feel any different?
Like steering wheel is definitely like harder. But that's cool though. It goes blue, 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 yellow shift.
Yeah.
Blue shift.
It's basically what you had on the steering wheel, but there.
I would rather have it there though.
I think you have one though.
I don't know.
You probably just never really seen it.
I feel like I feel like the Supra is missing some minor things, minor details to compete against the M4. But I like it. I'm not used to this. Oh my god. Yo, it's quiet, but it's moving.
Yeah, bro. Once I get the exhaust,
oh my god,
it'll get louder. No, we catched up hella quick.
dude.
Hella quick.
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not used to speed. I'm used to noise. My car is noisy. Dude, this is like some sneaky shit. Like, you could definitely sneak up on somebody with this.
Did you use the paddles or you just tapped
Oh,
on?
no, I did.
Oh, okay, okay.
Nah, slow down, come on.
I forgot it's the dead end right here.
Oh my god. This is different to me.
Oh,
What's that? Dude, this is fun, dude.
go for it.
Oh my god. Yo, this is different to me.
All right, Manny, let's do it with the windows down. Let's do it with the windows down. Yeah, windows down.
Let me slow down right here. Yo, this is different to me.
Whew.
I like this. Ready?
Yep.
Oh. Wow. Someone's control, like,
Firm, right? It's very firm.
it's firm. Wow. This is crazy.
I'm gonna see if I can get a clip for social media as well.
Bro, I like this. It's like no
fun, right?
spin out, like
No, there is a spin out. I just don't think you're.
I don't know, bro. I'm not
I don't think you're.
noticing it.
I don't think you're pressing it hard enough. Are you stepping on it?
I'm all the way through, like.
Try a second. Try a second gear.
Second gear.
I told you.
Whoa.
I told you.
Second gear's the way for sure. Oh my god.
I told you. I was like, what do you mean?
Oh, you're in the pops?
Yep.
I like that. Wow, yo, this is fun. All I gotta say, bro, like I'm sold, bro. On the BMW dream. I already got the Supra, but man, this is like control, like.
Okay, so we're finally back. Manny, any final thoughts?
Guys, I have come to the conclusion that I'm gonna keep the Supra, even though the M4 sounds amazing, drives amazing. I'm still Team Supra. I'm sorry.
I mean, hey, I can't even complain. Like the Supra was nice. I feel like once I get the exhaust, me and Manny will be able to compete a little bit better.
Absolutely.
But yeah, I think overall, if you were to get a Supra or if you were to get an M4, you're not going wrong with either one, right, Manny?
Oh, absolutely. Both amazing cars, super fun, super reliable, and I recommend both of them.
Both.
Just get both.
Just get both. Best of both worlds. But if you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys subscribe. Also, go like the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.